quadratic equation by graphical method. You have already learned to solve quadratic equation. We already used two methods, that is by completive scale method and number two by using quadratic formula. Alright, we have another method to solve such equations by graphical method. So what is it? To find the solution of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is by drawing the corresponding quadratic graph of the y equal to x square plus bx plus c. It means suppose let y equals to ax square plus bx plus c, and to represent graphically on the plane is known as a graphical method, where to find x coordinates of the point of the intersection. Point of intersection means the point where it meets with x axis, like this one. To find x coordinates where x, whatever value of x is, where y is 0, is known as graphical method. Alright, where to find the x coordinates of the point of intersection, alright, of this graph where with x axis where y is 0 is known as graphical method. Clear? So to represent any equation, quadratic equation on graphically is also known as graphical method. Points to remember: number one, if the coefficient of x square is in the quadratic equation is positive, then the graph will be U-shaped. If the value of whatever coefficient of x square is positive, the graph will be of U-shape, and if it is negative, the graph will be of opposite shape, like that. Alright, I hope it's clear. You will learn more clearly when you do efforts on it. So don't go anywhere, stay tuned with me, follow my channel Brainy Maths with Kaval on YouTube, and also follow my channel on TikTok, Brainy Maths. Formula. Alright, I repeat, whenever you see such question, we have to find its point of intersection, and for this purpose we will use completive scale method, not by quadratic formula. It's a main point. So let's begin. First we have to find its x coordinates. Are you ready? So equation is 2x square minus 5x minus 6 equal to 0. We have to find its x coordinates by completive scale method. As you know, they are given you 2 here. So divide the whole equation by 2. What it becomes? X square minus 5 by 2x minus 6 by 2 equal to 0. Any problem here? I hope not. Alright, this is 2. Let me clear. Next, x square minus 5 by 2 x. Next, what we do? Half coefficient of x plus 5 by 4 whole square. One time add, one time subtract 5 by 4 whole square equals to 6. What it become? 3. For your convenience, I write like that. Minus 3, then equal to 0. Alright, next step we move towards right hand side. Understood what I have done? Coefficient, half of coefficient of x. 5 by 2 over 2. I have told you it become 5 by 4. I hope it's clear. Alright, now it becomes a square x minus 5 by 4. Now I have done lot of questions on such topic. I think you have become master of it. So open it. 5 5s are 25, 4 4s are 16 equals to 3. I move this 3 towards right hand side. This is called transposing. Alright, you all know this. Now x minus 5 by 4 whole square will remain same. 3 will remain same. This will move towards right hand side, become 25 over 16. Alright, now take LCM of it. X minus 5 by 4 whole square. 16 1 16 1 3 3 are 48 plus 25. X minus 5 by 4 whole square. 8 5 13 becomes 73 over 16. You can use calculator for that purpose. It's up to you. Now to remove this square sign, which is under root on both sides, x minus 5 by 4 whole square under root equals to under root 73 by 16. This one is going to cancel off. What is left? X minus 5 by 4 equals to under root 73 plus minus over 4. A root of 16 is 4. Now solve it. X equals to under root 73 over 4 plus 5 by 4. Similarly, x equals to under root 73 minus 73 by 4 minus 5 by 4. Sorry, plus 5 4. This will move towards right hand side, it becomes plus 5 by 4 minus under root 73 by 4. Now solve it. X equals to LCM 73 plus 5. X equals to, this solve by your own self. Take under root 73, then add it, add 5 divided by 4. Answer is 3.4. I have already solved it. You will solve by your own self. Like that. 4 under root 73 minus plus 5. Plus minus under root 73 minus 5. What is the answer? Divided by 4 to get the answer, that is minus 0.9. This is round figure, as you know, minus 0.9. So what we get, solution of x is x equals to 3.4 and minus this minus 0.9. Okay, so minus 0.9. These are the point where these are the point of intersection where it cut x-axis. What it means, like that, this is a point where minus 0.9 and 3.4 it will cut the x-axis. Alright, now I have to represent these points on the graph. Up to now I hope you understand it clearly. Okay, now we draw the step number 2. Draw the graph of y equals to 2x square minus 5x minus 6. Let denoted by this equation by y. So now we need the graph to represent this like that.